How to play Bingo Blitz without Facebook. If you want to play the Bingo Blitz without using your Facebook on it or connecting your Facebook ID and you don't know how to do it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now, to play without Facebook, tap onto three lines right here at the top. Tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find Connect and Log Out. Now select it. Now simply log out from this account and tap on to Log Out once again. Now to play without Facebook account, simply tap on to New Player and create a new account and don't add the Facebook account on that Bingo Blitz account. And by doing that, you can play the Bingo Blitz game without using your Facebook account. And that's it. This is how you can play Bingo Blitz without the Facebook. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.